or kareng mo, mas mura kini. Kasi direct na kini. Kaya kasi supplier talaga kini yung
Nan, babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mart-KoreanGoods of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City. Maagang maaga.
Yes, early grind tayo
Early
ngayon.
grind tayo ngayon because we're gonna be witnessing an opening of Jernie's Mini Mart.
Yes, they offer Korean goods, local goods, at the same time, imported seafood.
Seafood. So that's what we're gonna witness today. Congratulations po sa inyong opening. Samahan niyo po kami dito.
So tara, let's
Let's
go!
Actually inside the mini mart pin, pansinan natin guys, as in they have wide variety of goods and items and products.
Meron dito school supplies,
Stationery.
meron dito seafood, mga delata, meron din dito. So parang pinanlaki siyang sari-sari store.
All in one, yeah. Tingnan natin yung mga items dito. So if you are interested to know more about any particular item, leave them at the comment section. We're gonna ask the management to answer your inquiries.
So tara, let's have a tour muna.
Let's have a tour. So it's gonna be fast. Samahan niyo kami. According to our orientation with the owner, from small business store to really large entities such as hotel or supermarket, they can actually buy from here as well. Kumbaga, hindi lang yung mga products na nandito yung pwede lang bilhin. They can pre-order, especially for the mga seafood part. Because what they really do is they supply a lot of restaurants here. Yeah, so they do also have some chilled products such as some kimchi, fresh vegetables, mushrooms, some refreshments, local and imported such as soju, soft drinks. We also have some juices. And syempre guys, hindi mawawala sa mga Korean mart ang mga noodles. A cabinet area for all your favorite noodles. And then actually sometimes guys, naghahanap tayo ng mga pang shabu-shabu. So check these out. You have like for probably small pack up to some serious meat, seafood meat, such as this, salmon. You have some tuna.
Kobashi, krendori, grilled shrimps with ring. Rampan complete one tayo ba ito? Alaning kayo ni tao, ini wala ni bago, di ba? Ini lumawag po. Kaya kung pansinin niya, hindi na ako ni store niya, kaya lumaw natin yan dito kakay. Makantayin yung lumawag. Kasi dalaan ako itang misa natin mag-invite niya ka, birthday. Alis kayo kung halimbawa, may kakaila, atin lang pagregalo, di ba? Yung mga halimbawa, yan naman bookstore naman yung mga kain mo. Halimbawa, kailangan lang record book o hindi takmutin lang buwan. Kaya sayang lang kamamungkado. Kaya pinumpleto eh.
Meron din pala silang mga new normal essentials, such as face shield. We have some face mask na, not your typical face mask. Meron din mga alcohol. Yeah, you can buy them here.
Dakal ko po nga sa diket and seafood, grocery, ating kong discount. Sige.
Would like to congratulate them for putting up this business in the middle of this crisis, pandemic. They were able to put this up. Probably mas marami siyang mga businesses na matutulungan.
Yes.
As well as yung mga consumer na naghahanap lang ng Korean good or seafood or
Even local goods.
even local goods na they emergency na nagkaroon sila ng pangangailangan, so they can have it here. Congratulations Jernie's Mini Mart for opening this. For those of you who are to watch this vlog, thank you so much for watching this. If you're interested to know more about this, again, this is located po sa TL Plaza, no?
Angeles City.
Angeles
You could
City.
visit them anytime. That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out guys, bye.